Hey guys, it's Anthony from Trotec Canada. This week we're launching our TroGlitter. To highlight our TroGlitter, this week we've made these creative Christmas pins for you guys. Our TroGlitter is a 1/8 inch thick material. It comes in sheets of 24 by 40 inches and can also be cut to size. For our Christmas pins, we lined our Speedy 400 with every color of TroGlitter. We placed our files into their corresponding colors and proceeded to cut. Our TroGlitter is a cast acrylic that is mixed with glitter particles. Glitter acrylic offers massive opportunities for creative minds. TroGlitter is offered in 6 different colors and is ideal for sales displays, novelties, and even lettering applications. Once we had our final cutouts, we placed them together using our 3M adhesive. Using the contour method, we were able to friction fit most of our pieces. Once we had our final pin design, we then flipped it over and stuck our pin on it. All that's left now is to give it to a friend or pin it on your sweater. Thanks for watching, guys. We hope you enjoyed this project. Don't forget to like and subscribe and tune in next time.